Today we're at the Kala Sangam Arts Centre in the centre of Bradford. We're showing a few short films that we've made as part of the Nature's Way research project. The films really celebrate the nature-based activities and projects going on in Bradford.
As a result, it's more loved, it's more looked after, and I think people feel more connected to it.
It's because I like doing different things with my hands. I love doing all this sanding, you know.
We've made these few films and we've invited everybody who's in the films, as well as lots of other people involved in nature and well-being in Bradford, to come along to show off the projects and to hopefully help people connect with one another going forward.